इस वीडियो में मैं आपको डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट दिखाने वाली हूँ जो यानिशिका ने बनाए हैं, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली दिवाली सफाई में सारे मेरे को थ्रो करने पड़े। तो एंड तक वीडियो जरूर देखें। ये है सीन दिवाली सफाई का। सोचा था सारा गंद उठा के फेंक दूँ, जब अलग अलग बैग में अलग अलग सामान देखा, लाइक आई वॉज crying with happiness. See, this is a card made by Yuvishka for her brother. Creativity is at top. Every piece of paper tells different story. See, one more card. जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, generally I keep a colors, crayons for my kids as I'm not at home when they return back from the school. So ये उन क्रिएटिव वर्क के सैम्पल्स हैं that would be in the dustbin, but मैंने सोचा it's better to capture them and I try to make a memories. The box is made by Yanish from the chocolate box, the empty one. I don't know from where they get idea about it. Young Yuvishka, because she's pampering herself. The card is made by Yanish. See, there is window also. Wow, nice. One more window. Yeah, I love you, Mom, because the jeans he get from me only. So the card is for Mom. Wow, good design. Okay, this is a family tree. Now you can see she used only one picture. One more Happy Mother's Day. Nice design again by Yanish. जैसे पता ही है, mother jeans more goes to the son, so Yanish is more creative. This is again one more drawing, again paper. This is all about. If you like these type of videos, please do mention in the comment box. I would